In the world of business managing, finance is crucial to success. One aspect of financial management that deserves attention is working capital. Today, we will explore what working capital is and why it's important for business to effectively manage it. Working capital is the difference between a company current asset and its current liabilities. In other words, it represented the amount of money a company has available to cover its short-term obligation and expense. Working capital is an important metric for assessing a company's financial health, as it provides an indication of the company's ability to meet its short-term obligation and fund its day-to-day operations. A company with positive working capital has more current assets than current liabilities, which means it has enough resources to meet its short-term obligation without having to rely on external financing. Conversely, a company with negative working capital has more current liabilities than current assets, which means it may struggle to pay its bill and fund its operations. In this case, the company may need to borrow money or raise capital to cover its short-term obligation. Element in working capital. Working capital, the current assets and liabilities used to calculate working capital, typically include the following item: current assets that can be converted into cash within 1 year of the balance sheet, debt including cash combining money in bank accounts and undeposited check from customers, marketable securities, short-term investment. A company intend a sale within 1 year accounts, receivable, prepared expenses such as insurance premium, advance payment on future purchase, etc. Current liabilities are all liabilities that are due within a year of the balance sheet date, including accounts payable, taxes, payable interest, payable on loan, any loan principal that must be paid within a year, deferred revenue such as advance payment from customer for goods or service, etc. Working capital formula. Working capital formula: to calculate working capital, subtract a company current liabilities from its current assets. This means working capital equal to current asset minus current liabilities. For example, say a company has $10,000 of current assets and $3,000 of current liabilities. The company is therefore said to have $7,000 as working capital. If you find types of working capital, the types of working capital can be categorized as follow. Number 1, gross working capital. Gross working capital refer to the total current assets of company including cash accounts, receivable, inventory and short-term assets. It represents the company ability to meet its short-term obligation. Number 2, net working capital. Net working capital is calculated by subtracting current liabilities from current assets. It indicates the company liquidity position after considering its short-term obligation. Positive working capital indicates that the company has enough current assets to cover its current liabilities. Number 3, permanent working capital. Permanent working capital represents the minimum level of investment required in current assets to support the ongoing operation of a company. It includes the funds necessary to maintain minimum level of inventory, accounts receivable and cash reserve to meet day-to-day operational requirement. Number 4, Temporary of variable working capital. Temporary working capital refer to additional working capital needed to meet seasonal fluctuations, unexpected surge in demand or other temporary requirement. It represents the difference between the peak and the base level of working capital during different business cycles. Number 5. Positive working capital. Positive working capital indicate that a company has sufficient current asset to cover its short-term obligation. It is favorable position as it reflects the company ability to manage its day-to-day operation and meet its financial obligation. Number 6. Negative working capital. Negative working capital occurs when a company current liabilities exceed its current assets. This situation is generally considered unfavorable as it suggests that the company may face difficulty in meeting its short-term obligation. In conclusion, working capital is vital aspect of financial management that business must be effectively managing working capital. Companies can ensure a smooth operation, growth opportunity and enhance their financial health.